This is Nail Driven LLC going over a tutorial for a map for Disney World, the full edition, which is the paid edition. Our free edition just has Epcot. The full edition has everything. When you first start the app, this is what you land on. It has some overlays explaining the different sections of the page. If you just tap it, they go away. Up here you have the 4 parks, and we're going to be having a new updated icon for both Disney Springs and Hollywood Studios. And you have 2 buttons, settings and exit, and you have a show tutorial tips screen, and then you also have some tips down here. These get pulled from the internet, so if you're on this page long enough, when you come back to it, you will see a new tip. If you're not on the page long enough, it might not pull it. So it's kind of random. Here, if you go to the settings button, my favorite thing here is the show ride times. I think that's very useful, and I use it all the time in the parks. I'm going to go ahead and turn off tutorial tips, and here you can also change what type of map you want to look at. We're going to start in the Magic Kingdom because it's open tonight. You'll notice at the top you'll see the hours of operation. It pulls those each day, and so you'll get the updated hours. You land here on the page, and this is the Magic Kingdom. Up at the top, the very left, you have a menu icon. We'll get into that a little later. But you can do things like find attractions, find food, etc. You can clear anything that you have highlighted, and you can toggle whether you want to see street, cartoon, or satellite imagery on the map. We're going to go back here. Up at the top here, you have shopping. It turns on all the shopping for Magic Kingdom. At the press of a button, you can toggle it on and off. And this one here is your information, smoking areas, and Fast Pass kiosk locations. Here are your ride locations, and you can see how quickly it pulled in the updated times. You can see there it has different minute times listed. Here are your dining locations, and here are your all-important bathrooms. And if you're in the park, it will show your icon wherever you are. So if I'm not in the park, though, I can hold this down and say, pretend I'm here. And it puts a little dot there saying, hey, you're right here at the circle. So if I have a little toddler that needs to go to the bathroom, I know I have a choice between those 2 bathrooms. Those are my closest ones. If I'm looking for a ride, let's say I have a Space Mountain, I can go to the menu up here, and I can say find something. And I'm going to find rides and attractions. I'm going to scroll down to Space Mountain right here. Space Mountain, it zooms over, it says, hey, it's right over here. Its wait time is 25 minutes. And I can say, okay, I'm here, the ride's there, so I gotta go that way. That's how I get there. Really easy, very nice, very easy to find things if you're not used to the different maps and where everything is. It's very easy to find stuff. You can see it finally loading the satellite imagery. Apparently my connection's a bit slow. It's taken a little time to load that in. But you can see that around the cartoon map. I'm going to go back here. So you have the different parks, you have the same thing, and you notice we had rides already selected, so it stays selected. So you can go to Hollywood Studios and you can see the different rides. You can toggle these on and off. Toggle on, toggle off. Nice and easy. You can go to Epcot, same thing. You got all the different locations, different shopping, different dining. You can turn everything on if you want. That's quite a lot. Kind of clutters the map up a bit, but hey, if you need to know where stuff is. One thing I really like about this is I can turn on and off what I care about very, very easily. Epcot is closed. It's already 9 p.m. and it's after that, so that you don't get any ride times right now. But if you did have, if it was open, you would see the ride times. And then it mixes over the satellite map there. So, okay. The last one here is Animal Kingdom, and again it's closed. It closed at 5:30 tonight. You can see that at the top. Here's all the ride times. If you want to know where different lands are, different shopping. One nice thing about the rides is it will tell you the height requirement. So if I want to go to Cali River Rapids, I know that it's 38 inches. I know that it is a Fast Pass Plus enabled. It has small drops, thrill rides, water rides, and spinning. Okay, and then there's Downtown Disney or Disney Springs. And we have all the new stuff currently, like the hangar bar and boathouse. We have the Star Wars shopping right here, Star Wars Galactic Outpost. So we have, we're trying to keep up to date with everything that's coming, and we will continue to do that until it is finished and all that is available. If you are in this area, you will see your icon. You can go find something. You can say, I want to go to Star Wars. I want to find where Star Wars is. It zooms over there, shows you right where it is. You can see where you are, you can see where it is, and you go right there. Very easy to find things. And that is the goal. And that is the app. So if you have any questions, please email us at naildrivenllc@gmail.com or support@androidmickey.com. And we hope you enjoy the app. If you have any questions, please email us. If you have any issues, please email us. We have so far been able to help anyone that has issues. So we really appreciate your feedback if you have that too. And thank you for taking a look. Bye-bye.